about? Latara, why do you sit and watch things happen and then?
I'm not involved.
Yeah, it's cool. Floor anyways.
Were you singing outside?
No.
Yes, you were. Nigga,
What?
you're not a baby. I'm just gonna let you know that.
We all use baby lotion
We all who?
in my house.
And y'all got the roughest skin I've ever seen. Every last one of y'all.
Well, sorry that you feel that way, but I
don't feel that way. That's just how it is. Did you bring your clothes?
Are you wearing that?
Yes.
You look like you're on a farm.
You dickhead. Tell her she looks like she. You're just rude altogether.
I'm sorry.
You're hard. Fire back.
You look like you're going to milk some cows or something. Like, I'm sorry. I just wanted to get that. I'm sorry. That was rude. Fire back.
That hurt.
You better come. I'm sorry. Latara.
Lynette!
I'm so sorry.
Lynette!
I'm sorry. That
Can I borrow a shirt?
I'm sorry. That was rude. I'm sorry. You can talk. You can say whatever you want about me. I'm sorry. That was rude. I really am. I'm not laughing at you. I'm just like. I thought you were kidding when you said you were wearing that. That's.
He's digging. He's digging.
Okay.